Today class. In our previous class, we have done work on descriptive statistics in Python. Today we will do practice for t-test in Python. So come to new script line and give a
Okay.
heading. Last at the end of this page. Okay, today we will perform two steps. One is t-test, other is ANOVA. I will guide you for t-test and you will perform ANOVA as an assignment or task. So today our topic is t-test and ANOVA. So when you want to perform any statistical analysis, four questions should be arised in your mind. Question number one, what is t-test? Please type question number one, what is t-test? Question number two, why do we perform t-test? Why do we perform t-test? Type of t-test, types of t-test, and how to arrange data set for t-test. How to arrange data for t-test. Now copy first three questions. Copy and open ChatGPT, paste here and send message. And send message. Chalo. Okay, now read the answer of the first question. What is a t-test? T-test is a statistical test used to compare the mean of two group. Very important point. Mean of two group. It's mean if you have okay. Sorry. Acha. Here is the important point is mean of two groups. So if you have two group, for example, group A and group B, you have two group. One is group A and other is group B. You can perform t-test. But if you have another group C, you are unable to perform t-test. So if you have more than two group or three or more than three, you need to perform ANOVA. So ANOVA is for three group or more than three group, and t-test is one or two group. So this is very important point for t-test. You have to perform t-test, you need two group. And if they are significantly different from each others, it is based on t-distribution or student t-distribution, which is useful when dealing with small sample size or less than 30 observations or unknown population variance. Why do we perform t-test? Number one, to check hypothesis, to check significant difference, and to compare two group. So if your data sample is small, have only two group, you can apply t-test. If you want to check the difference between group, you can apply t-test. And if you check the significant effect, you can also perform t-test. There are three main type of t-test. One is one sample t-test, two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. In one sample, you only have one group, group A, and you want to compare it with already published value. For example, you have a group or you have a age data of any city. For example, city A, you have a age data of city A and you want to compare it with standard or already published value or average value of human. So if you have only one group, you want to compare with already published value, it is known as one sample t-test. If you have two group like group A and group B, and you want to compare them between group A and group B, so it is two sample t-test. And if you have data set in the form of pair, for example, yes or no, presence or absence, or before and after. So if you have data set like this, before and after, yes or no, treated or untreated, so you can apply paired sample t-test. For example, you are working on blood pressure patient, you find blood pressure before medicine, after medicine, before meal, after meal. So if you have this type of data set, you can apply paired t-test. Now, next step is, here is a summary of t-test. Okay, now copy and share this information within group so that all participants can read. Come at the end of this page. There is a copy button. Not
This
here,
one.
not this one.
Okay.
Now, next step, you need a sample data to check the format or data arrangement required for t-test. So you can type a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. Now I need sample data table for each type of t-test. So first is one sample t-test. A sample is patient and you want to compare hemoglobin with already published value 13.5 or average value. Here is a normal human. Scroll up, please. Scroll up, not down. Yes. Here is the already published value, and you want to compare the mean of these values. You have only one group, patient, and you want to compare the mean with this mean value. Now scroll down. In second, you have two group. You want to compare male and female group. Come to third. Now you have a data set before treatment and after treatment. So if you have data set in pair, you can apply paired sample t-test. Now you need this data in Excel sheet. Write a message. Thanks. No, no, no. Right, thanks. No, I need this data in Excel sheet. No, I need this data in Excel sheet. Okay, no, please download this file and save in working directory. Okay, after save, please first open this. You can rename. Just give a name t-test or short name t-test so that you can easily type without any error. T underscore test. Rename T underscore test. Okay, now open this file and check data. You can arrange your data according to this. So now you have three sheets. One is one sample, second is two sample, and third is piece paired data. You can also change the name of this sheet. In one sample, just type one, rename and type one, right click. First allow it editing, enable editing. Rename, right click and rename.
Okay, sir. So right to here.
Right click on one sample, on sheet name.
Yeah, this one.
Yes. It's already selected. Delete sample. Just give one. Okay. Now come to second. Give name two. And similarly paired.
It's done, sir.
Okay. Now save. Save this file. And also share this file within group so that other participants can also do practice on this file. And if you want to download sample data related to your field of study, you can also download by using same method. Okay, now import this file into Python. To import, first you need to activate your Panda package. So import Panda SPD. Okay, no, give a name to this script. Sorry, add underscore because underscore means space in the language of R and Python. When you want to add space, add underscore or just give T in short word. T, yes, and run. Okay. No, get its str. Sorry, no, please wait. By default, your first sheet will be appeared when you select your file name. Your file name is t underscore test, and this file have 3 sheets. By default, when you select your file name, sheet number 1 appeared. But if you want to work on sheet number 2, then you need to write, please first type here T and run. It's showing you the sheet number 1. If you want to do work on sheet number 2, how to import sheet number 2? So again type td.readexcel. Yes, bracket open, your file name. Ah, yes, dot xlsx. Next, after inverted comma, add another comma and type sheet underscore name. Sheet underscore name equal, and within inverted comma type 2, within inverted comma, not within bracket. After equal sign, add inverted comma and type 2, not 2. Please check your file sheet name. Yes, and run. I think T is capital on your sheet. Please confirm from sheet. Open your sheet. T is capital.
Yes.
Open Jupyter page and run. Closing, please first close, add closing bracket. After comma. Okay, now run it again. Now you have second sheet data. Now also give its name to. Please give a name to the script to. Yes, in this line. Equal, before equal type 2. Now when you run 2, it will show you second file. No, not this one. TWO2. Yes. And run. Next is just confirm. Yes, it's showing you 2 sample data set. No, you want to import paired sample t-test. First type your file name and then sheet name. File name is same for all 3 sheets. Please check spelling for XLS. Sheet underscore name equal, in within inverted comma type paired. and run. And run. Paired. Okay. No, next step is no, please note, and no, you will perform. All participants perform as a task or as assignment. No, please note next step, and no, you do work. So next step is take str or get info.
Sir,
For this, yes, one by one. First get info for uh, sheet number 1, and then sheet number 2, then sheet number 3. T is for sheet number 1, 2 is for sheet number 2, and paired is for sheet number 3. So type print bracket T dot info. I think you have typed small t, not capital T. Yes, dot info, because your file name is T. Our first sheet name is T. Bracket bracket open and close and run. Okay, now combine both script and its result. Not on above line. Why are you moving to above? Here is the print info. Press enter button. It will give you space and paste, and again copy and open ChatGPT and write a message. I want to perform one sample t-test, and you also need to mention average value. I want to perform one sample t-test in Python, and average value is I think you need to check from above script. Scroll up and check the mean value. Scroll up and check data set for one. Yes, 13.5. It is average value. So type here average value 13.5. Full stop and paste your data. Okay. No copy script, but there is a no script for plot. It's script for just results. If you need plot, write a message. Please also add script for plot. Plot and give me full script again. Copy and run. It's showing you error. No such file are directed t-test underscore biology data because your original file which ChatGPT have saved with this name. So we have changed the name of our file. So scroll up your script and change its name. Not from here. Where is your script? Scroll down. Yes, here you need to change. You can check. Your file name is t-test. So here is given t-test underscore biology underscore data. Yes. First step, load your data, please. Change, yes. Here add your file name. Your file name is T. Sorry. Wait, please, wait. Because we have changed the name of our file. No, the name of our file is
T.
T. So scroll up. Again, you need to again your script to ChatGPT. Scroll up, please. Show me your above script. Yes. Here you, yes, copy the script. Again, paste to ChatGPT and write a message, please. Read carefully. File name is T. And send message. Sorry, paste. Okay. Yeah. Yes, no, it's okay. But again, it is giving you path. Write a message. I already have file in Jupyter, so I don't need to import. File name is T and paste your str. I already have file in Jupyter, so I don't need to import. Use this data file, use this and paste your data here and send again. Perfect. Since you already have your data frame T in Jupyter, you don't need to import again. Here is the clean one sample t-test script with plot directly using your T data frame. Okay, now copy and run in Jupyter. Click anywhere and run. Okay, now above are the results in the form of paragraphs or findings like p-value, t-value, hypothesized means, and so on. And here is its plot. So there are two lines. One is for sample mean, other is population mean. You can also draw its bar plot, box plot, or any plot which you want to draw. By default, ChatGPT gives you a line plot. Okay, now you want to create plot or you want to perform analysis on two sample t-test. No, again, take str for two sample t-test. No need to move above. Just get info, print, bracket open. Don't give space, please. There is no space between print and bracket. Please check the name of your file. T is capital, I think. Yes. Now combine and run. And write a message I want to perform. To sample t-test in Python. Full stop. And send message. Okay. Now also perform paired sample t-test, and now your next task is ANOVA. Also perform ANOVA by using same strategy and methods. Okay. Now please all participants perform these analysis and share results within group. If you have any question, you can ask. If okay, try practice and share your results within group. Okay. Thank you. Now please perform work and share in group. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.